You've been thunderstruck. What's going on, everyone? My name is John. You're watching Solepost, and this is another Solepost unboxing. Today we take a look at the KD4 Art of a Champion Thunderstruck. Now, this is a part of the Art of a Champion pack. We've done, what, 5 or 6 shoes out of this pack already. This shoe in particular pays homage to Game 6 of the Western Conference Finals, where KD exploded against the San Antonio Spurs in order to get them to the NBA Finals. That OKC team that had, of course, James Harden, Serge Ibaka, Russell Westbrook, and, of course, KD and Kendrick Perkins. Yeah, Kendrick Perkins. Keep getting them checks, Kendrick Perkins. As is the case with, I feel like, more shoes than not, this, of course, is not a shoe that KD won a championship in because Mike Miller just turned back the clock. James Harden couldn't knock a shot in to save his life, and the Miami Heat won their second championship, as well as LeBron's first. Again, Nike's making it up as they go along. They could have easily given us a LeBron 9 and, done something else with the KD line. I don't know. For many, the KD4 is a favorite. And a lot of people like the shoe because it was a low-cost shoe. It was only it retailed for, I think, $95 during the original run. And I remember picking up quite a few of these colorways. I had the BHM pair, I had the Galaxy pair. This shoe was similar to the Photo Blue Thunder Home colorway, but it's also based on the Thunderstruck movie. A bad movie. It's basically like Mike, but Kevin Durant. And this was actually the shoe that he wore in the movie Thunderstruck. And I know this because in doing preparation for this review, I watched Thunderstruck. So don't you ever say I don't do anything for you guys. It was bad. It's not actually as bad as people say it is. It's a okay movie, but I personally wouldn't go back and watch it again. It's not that great of a movie. What I remember from the KD4 is that it was an extremely light shoe. It was kind of cheaply made, but again, for $95, you couldn't really say too much on it. But yeah, first let's take a look at the box. The box is the Think 16 box with the 16 hash marks and the Nike swoosh on the side. And the colorway is white, photo blue, and wolf gray. Now let's take a look at the shoe. Most of the shoe was a synthetic upper, and that's to be expected of a shoe that costs $95. You can't use a lot of premium leathers on a $95 shoe. The shoe has a white synthetic toe along with a white Nike swoosh. On the tongue you have the midfoot strap, which has adaptive fit. And what adaptive fit basically is if you have a larger foot or a wider foot you can adjust the strap to your lockdown fit or how tight you want it. And it's a white strap with the photo blue detailing. Also, you have the mesh tongue with the photo blue and white laces and the 35 on the tongue. And what KD's line did for quite a few of the shoes, I think the 7 did it also, was that they put the number in between the logo. So in between the 3 and the 5 is a tiny 4. There it is right there, basically. It is actually also outlined, but I don't know if you can pick that up. The inner tongue has the Think 16 graphic, which is the white patch and the 16 hash mark going through it. On the insole, you also have the 16 hash marks on the right shoe. Moving towards the heel, you've got the midfoot strap, like I said, along with the Larry O'Brien trophy as a hang tag. And you've got mesh detailing for breathability on the vamp. On the heel, you've got the KD logo in photo blue, and the rest of the heel is white. The lateral has the photo blue Nike swoosh, as well as the white detailing and the start of the strap. The midsole is white and black, and the outsole is white and black as well. Also on the outsole, on the forefoot, you got a heart that says WP, which stands for Wanda, Kevin Durant's mother. You've also got Barbara, which is his grandfather, which is Kevin Durant's grandmother. Tony is Kevin Durant's brother. You also got the word "Stay Focused," designed and engineered to the specifications of Kevin Durant. That's Kevin Durant's signature. And you got the words "Seat Pleasant," which is his hometown in Maryland. Big Chucky is on the heel. Overall, I'm a fan of the shoe. I'm not a fan of the price tag though. This shoe is retailing this time around for $140, which is absolutely insane considering the shoe originally retailed for $95. But even with inflation, like, it should only be like $115, $120. Like, this is not a $140 shoe by any stretch of the word. It's dope that they are bringing back the KD4 for a retro, And considering this is his first retro shoe, I hope that we see a lot more retros coming soon as well. Because the KD4 for many was the best shoe of the KD line. For me personally, I like the KD7 better. I just hope they start bringing back more coveted colorways like the Galaxy colorway. We're still waiting for the Nerf and the KD4 in the Weatherman colorway to get a more widespread release. And I would pick up another Galaxy pair undoubtedly. But for $140, they can keep all of that. Now let's get some detailed looks of the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump. Thunderstruck hits Nike retailers and Nike.com on June 7th for a retail price of $140. Alright everyone, this has been another Solepost unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Solepost channel. Check out solepost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Solepost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.